Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine at your places. This video is for student of class 3rd. In this video, we will summarize the chapter number 1, Major Cities of India, Delhi. Okay. So this is our summary lecture. So let's start. Class 3rd, term 3. Subject EVS SST. Chapter number 1, Major Cities of India, Delhi. This is chapter name. Lecture number 3. Our topic is summary lecture. Okay, but first of all, I will discuss about your homework which I had assigned you in last class. This was your homework. Practice zone, multiple choice questions. Okay. So, number 1. Which of the following is a union territory? So, here we have 4 options. So, which one is correct? A. Delhi, B. Haryana, C. Punjab, D. Uttarakhand. So, which of the following is a union territory? A is correct. So, take here A, Delhi. Next is, Delhi is situated on the bank of the river. So, Delhi कौन सी river के किनारे पर बसा हुआ है? So, here we have also 4 options A, B, C and D. Ganga, B. Yamuna, C. Mahanadi and D. Tapti. So, which one is correct? B is correct. So, Yamuna. Number 3. Name the architect who planned New Delhi. A. Alexander, B. Carbon, C. Lutyens, D. Smiths. So, name the architect who planned New Delhi. Which one is correct? So, C is correct. Lutyens. Okay. Next is, which one of the following was built by Shah Jahan? A. Parliament House, B. Rashtrapati Bhavan, C. The Red Fort, D. The Supreme Court. So, which one of the following was built by Shah Jahan? So, Parliament House, Rashtrapati Bhavan, Red Fort, Supreme Court. Which one is correct? C is correct. Red Fort. So, tick here. Number 5. Which one of the following is the oldest monument? So, here we have also 4 options. A. Jama Masjid, B. Red Fort and C. The Qutub Minar, D. The Purana Killa. So, which one of the following is the oldest monument? The Jama Masjid, the Red Fort, the Qutub Minar, the Purana Killa. So, D is correct. Purana Killa. Now, we will do fill in the blanks. अब हम fill in the blanks करेंगे. You will do with me. आप भी मेरे साथ करेंगे. So, open your book and page number 9. B. Fill in the blanks. यहाँ पर कुछ blank जगह है जहाँ पर हमें एक word fill करना है. Okay. So, number 1. New Delhi became the capital of India in. So, write down here in 1911. Okay. So, New Delhi became the capital of India in 1911. Next, number 2, the Lal Killa was built by the emperor. So, लाल किला किसने बनवाया था? शाहजहां. So, write down here SHAH, शाहजहां, JAHAN. Okay. So, the Lal Killa was built by the Emperor Shahjahan. Number 3, Delhi is also known as dash India. So, Delhi is known as mini India, MINI, mini. So, Delhi is also known as mini India. Next, number 4, dash, यहाँ पर blank जगह, is the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. So, write down here Rajghat. Rajghat is the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. So, write down here RAJ, Raz, GHAT, Rajghat. Rajghat is the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. Next, number 5, the dash makes law for the country. So, country के जो हमारे देश के लॉ हैं वो कहाँ पर बनाए जाते हैं? So, the parliament. So, write down here PARLIAMENT, parliament. The parliament makes law for the country. So, PARLIAMENT, parliament. So, you should learn the spelling also. And now I will repeat it again. Number 1, New Delhi became the capital of India in 1911. Next, the Lal Killa was built by the Emperor Shahjahan. Next, Delhi is also known as mini India. Next, number 4, Rajghat is the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. Number 5, the parliament makes law for the country. Next is, now we will do true or false. Part C, write true T or false F against each statement. So, यहाँ पर हमारे पास कुछ स्टेटमेंट्स हैं जिन्हें हमें ट्रू और फॉल्स में बताना है. So, number 1, earlier Kolkata was the capital of India. So, this is true or false? Yes, this is true. So, write down here T. Earlier, Kolkata was the capital of India. Number 2, the AIIMS, AIIMS, AIIMS. The AIIMS is in Mumbai, MUMBAI, Mumbai. So, this is false because AIIMS कहाँ है? Delhi में. The AIIMS is in Mumbai, false. So, write down here F. Next is number 3. The Rashtrapati Bhavan is situated on the Raisina Hills. Yes, this is correct. So, write down here T. Yani true. Now, number 4. The Mughal garden is in the Parliament building. So, Mughal garden is in the Parliament building. No, this is wrong. So, Mughal garden कहाँ पर है? राष्ट्रपति. Okay. So, write down here false, F. Number 5, children below 3 feet can travel free in a metro train. Yes, this is true. So write down here true. शायद इस बॉक्स में आपको यहाँ पर ये बॉक्स नहीं नजर आ रहा है, तो हम इनको दोबारा यहाँ पर करते हैं. अर्लियर कोलकाता वॉज द कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया, सो दिस इज ट्रू. द एम्स is in Mumbai. This is false, F. The Rashtrapati Bhavan is situated on the Raisina Hills. Yes, this is true. The Mughal garden is in the Parliament building. This is false. So write down here F. Children below 3 feet can travel free in a metro train. So this is true. Next is match the columns A and B. Okay, so हमें यहाँ पर A और B को मैच करना है जो भी करेक्ट है. So this is column A and this is column B. So, number 1, Lal Killa. 2, Amar Jawan Jyoti. 3, Qutub Minar. 4, New Delhi. 5, Vijay Ghat. Next, number 1, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Number 2, Shahjahan. Number 3, War Memorial. Number 4, Qutubuddin Aibak. Number 5, Edward Lutyens. So now, अब हम इनको मैच करेंगे. So लाल किला. Number 2, Shahjahan. Okay. So match it. Number 2, Shahjahan. Number 2, Amar Jawan Jyoti. War Memorial. So match it. War Memorial. Next, number 3, Qutub Minar. Qutubuddin Aibak. Okay, so match it. Qutubuddin Aibak. Next is New Delhi. Edward Lutyens. So match it. Next, Vijay Ghat. Samadhi of Lal Bahadur Shastri. So match it. Vijay Ghat. Now we will do question answer. When did New Delhi become the capital of India? So New Delhi को इंडिया की कैपिटल कब बनाया गया था? Answer is, write down answer. New Delhi, DELHI, New Delhi became, BECAME, became the capital of India. Became the capital, CAPITAL, capital of India, INDIA, इंडिया. कब बनाया गया था न्यू दिल्ली को इंडिया की कैपिटल? इन 1911. Okay. So question number 1. When did New Delhi became the capital of India? So answer is, New Delhi became the capital of India in 1911. Question number 2. What was the previous capital of India? So answer is, write down answer. The previous capital of India the previous previous capital capital. So previous capital, the previous capital was Calcutta. CALCUTTA कोलकाता, यानी प्रीवियस कैपिटल कौन सी थी? कैलकाटा, जिसको कैलकाटा के नाम से जाना जाता है. विच WHICH विच इज नाउ known as कैलकाटा. ओके, सो अब कौन किस नाम से जानी जाती है? known NOWN known as कोलकाता. KOLKATA कोलकाता. ओके, so the previous capital was Calcutta, which is now known as कोलकाता, जो अब कोलकाता के नाम से जानी जाती है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, नेम 2 monument which were built by the मुगल एम्परर शाहजहां इन दिल्ली. सो आपको 2 monument के नेम बताने हैं जो दिल्ली में मुगल बादशाह शाहजहां के द्वारा बनाए गए. सो आंसर इज रेड फोर्ट, RED रेड, FORT फोर्ट, रेड फोर्ट. एंड सेकेंड इज जामा मस्जिद. सो राइट डाउन हियर जामा, JAMA जामा, MASJID masjid, Jama Masjid. Name 2 monument which were built by the Mughal Emperor Shahjahan in Delhi. So answer is Red Fort and Jama Masjid. Question number 4. Name 2 neighboring states of Delhi. यानी आपको यहाँ पर 2 neighboring state के नेम बताने हैं जो दिल्ली के 2 neighboring state है, यानी पड़ोसी देश. सो आंसर इज हरियाणा, HARYANA, हरियाणा, एंड उत्तर प्रदेश, UTTAR उत्तर प्रदेश, PRADESH प्रदेश. हरियाणा एंड उत्तर प्रदेश आर दी neighboring state of Delhi. NEIGHBOURING neighboring states of Delhi. STATES states of Delhi. हरियाणा एंड उत्तर प्रदेश आर दी नेबरिंग स्टेट्स ऑफ दिल्ली. यानी हरियाणा और उत्तर प्रदेश दिल्ली के 2 नेबरिंग स्टेट है. सो 3 क्वेश्चन हमने यहाँ पे कराए हैं आपको. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, When did New Delhi became the capital of India? Answer is New Delhi became the capital of India in 1911. And question number 2, what was the previous capital of India? So, आपके the previous capital कौन सी थी? The previous capital was कोलकाता. जो इंडिया की प्रीवियस कैपिटल थी, अर्लियर द कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया वॉज कलकत्ता. ओके, जो अब कोलकाता के नाम से जानी जाती है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, नेम 2 मॉन्यूमेंट विच वर बिल्ड बाय द मुगल एम्परर शाहजहां इन दिल्ली. सो आंसर इज रेड फोर्ट एंड जामा मस्जिद. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, नेम 2 नेबरिंग स्टेट्स ऑफ दिल्ली. Answer is Haryana and Uttar Pradesh are the neighboring states of Delhi. यानी हरियाणा और उत्तर प्रदेश दिल्ली के 2 neighboring states हैं. Okay, so student learn these question answer and assignment will be uploaded at 12 o'clock. So आपको होमवर्क में एक असाइनमेंट मिलेगा जो 12 o'clock आप एडक्वार और व्हाट्सएप पर अपलोड होगा. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.